Firstly, start by laying the tabletop face down so the cleats are upwards. Next step, take the walk-in legs and butt them up against the cleat. Use your fingers to make the legs sit in the correct place on each side of the top. Screw the legs using the 90mm structural screws provided. There are 2 pilot holes in the top brace of the leg where they need to be screwed. The next part requires 2 people. Take the seats and position them in place. As one person is holding the seat in place, the other person can now screw the seats using the structural screws provided. There are pre-drilled holes on the position where you need to screw. Complete this both sides of the table, and now you're ready to move on to the diagonal braces. Take the 4 bigger diagonals and position 2 each side of the table. Best way to get the desired position is to use the angle of the diagonal by placing it on the table top, then sliding the diagonal up to the leg. Now they can be screwed. Best way to do this is by placing 1 decking screw in on the pre-drilled bottom holes, then 1 in the top, then finish off with 1 more screw bottom, 1 more screw in top, 1 more screw in the top. Do this with all 4 large, then repeat the same. Then repeat the same process with the smaller ones for the seats, using 1 each side of the seats. Screw the seat diagonals to the middle slat of the seat. Now turn the table over, and this is your completed walk-in picnic table.